I've been very busy. Found a 6-color 2-station press for $1,600. The guy had it on Facebook Marketplace for $2,200. He was willing to take 16 because I was local. Here it is. I've already used it. I've only used it once for 2 little kid shirts that I did. Honestly, I wanted to get a bigger press. I wanted it to be, you know, if it was going to be 6 colors, I wanted it to be 6 stations, or 8 colors, 8 stations. But right now, realistically, financially, this is what I could afford. So this is what we made happen. It's definitely an upgrade from what I had. I still have this guy right here, 4-color, no micro registration. And the reason why I really wanted an upgrade is because I was having so many issues doing 4 colors and trying to register them on here. It was taking me at least an hour, and that might not seem very long, but I guess I didn't have the patience for it. So yeah, it's a 6-color, it's got the micro registration on it. I haven't even messed with these yet because I haven't done a multiple color job on this yet, so I haven't even been able to like play with these. Still don't know how it works. The only way for me to figure that out is to actually have screens in here and mess with it. So, but I just wanted to do a quick little video, kind of update you guys on what I've been doing and what is to come on my YouTube channel. It's kind of crazy that I just hit 300 subscribers on YouTube, and that might not seem like a lot to a lot of people, but 300 people watching and following my videos it's pretty cool, actually. I just want you guys to know that like I'm literally showing you guys as I'm going through and doing this stuff. So as I'm learning, like, you can learn, but I'm definitely not a professional at this. Just want to say that. A couple more things. So the press actually came with this stand bolted to it. I mean, it wasn't, when we picked it up, we had to obviously unbolt it and then put it back on there, but I'm going to be doing something different with the stand just because I don't like the way it looks. I want it to match everything in here. It also came with 4 platens, 2 smaller ones and 2 really big ones. So I think what we're gonna do is probably cut some of those, make them into different size platens. I don't know, I'm not really sure. Also, if you guys know, or yourself, if you're just starting out and you need a press and you're local in Vancouver, Washington, hit me up because I'm getting rid of this one. It's not gonna come with the laser because I need that for the new press, but definitely the box and the whole thing, and then I don't know, maybe I can throw in like 2 of the platens or something. My husband's been doing logo designs for people, and I've been printing for those people, which is pretty awesome. I like printing what he creates. It's really cool to see it go from like a piece of paper drawing to going on a t-shirt. Oh, a couple more things. I did get a puff additive. I'm eventually going to try this. It is just a pint, but I'm going to make a YouTube video on it, so that video will be coming. I don't know when I have time to print something. I haven't given a tour of the garage yet, and the reason I haven't done that is because I want to wait until I have consumed the whole garage to actually give you guys a tour, and when I get my conveyor dryer, it'll just be more complete that way. But right now, the other side has got like, we still have gym equipment over here, which we need to get rid of. So if you're in the Vancouver, Washington area, or Portland, Oregon, hit us up because we have some gym equipment that we need to get rid of. I guess this video is just kind of like an update on what's been going on. There's been a bunch of new subscribers on my channel, so I just thought, if you're new here, thanks for following along. So Right now I'm kind of at a standstill because I'm waiting for a gallon of Yellow Sunshine to get here because I have the Epic Rio mixing kit. I actually ran out of yellow for the mixing, and for the new job that I'm doing, it requires like greens, browns, and oranges, and all of those require like the yellow. So I'm completely out of yellow, so I'm just waiting on that to get here. I actually had a lot of trouble with getting that ink, which really sucks. Anyways, I actually found a place that has the yellow ink, and it should be here in a couple days, so then I can get printing again, mixing those Pantone colors. Also, I got contacted by, I believe it's Keyprint Co. I actually posted a little reel of like the hood prints that I did for one of my other clients, and I just clamped it down. I should have recorded it and put it on YouTube, but I used these clamps and just like clamped the hoodie to the sleeve platen, and then like that's how I made the hood stick to the, or stay on the actual sleeve platen, and that's how I actually ended up printing on all of the hoods. Well, they actually saw that video and said that they have something that I could potentially use. Well, they're sending me that, which is super exciting. So I'm gonna be trying that out and probably doing a review on that. Oh, we've been thinking about doing a live printing, so if you guys think that you would want to see something like that, like a live print, let me know in the comments down below, because we've really been thinking about that. And I think we might actually do it like on Saturdays or Sundays, one of those days, for a couple hours of printing. Another thing that I'm trying to figure out is, I'll show you guys. This is a tire cover. I got a request from somebody to print on these, 300 of them. We've already said yes, and not really sure how we're gonna do that. So if you guys know how to print on tire covers, which I know I have done a little bit of research. There's a vinyl ink that dries, that air dries, which is great, but my garage is definitely not gonna fit 300 of these things. Can you do plastisol ink on these? You know, like, I don't know. I'm gonna try it, and if it melts, like they gave this one to us just to figure out if we can actually print on it. You guys have ever printed on something like this before? Let me know, because I do need some help figuring this out. I've done some research already, and I haven't really found much. I found a couple blogs on it. They used like the air dry ink, but I don't think I can do that. So I'm gonna have to figure out another way. I wanna make it happen. I wanna put plastisol on this tire cover. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll be wrong about that one. Something else that has happened since the last time I posted was we got our business license, which is really cool. It wasn't that hard. I thought it was gonna be more of a process. But yeah, we got our business license, and then we got our, actually the process part was, we got our business license in like 2 days after we applied for it, but the reseller's permit, that took like 10 days. Oh, another thing. There's a guy on Instagram who owns a screen printing business and who makes these spatulas. I ordered 3 of them. It was, I think it ended up being like 45 bucks. Shipping was like 10 bucks. It is aluminum. And what's cool is it's got these little, he makes it so that you can actually hang it on the paint can, you know. The thing that I did notice when using them, when mixing, is it did bend a little bit. Like, I think it bent like that, which, you know, that sucks, but you can bend it right back. So, I don't know. I would think over time that it would eventually snap, but this is a really cool idea what he came up with. The aluminum is pretty thick, but it's also bendable. And then the edges, you can see it. He rounded the edges here. So like when it's on the screen, it's not gonna like rip the screen or anything. That's a really cool idea. Like, he literally made spatulas for screen printers. That's cool. So yeah, I just wanted to make a video real quick and let you guys know that I'm still making YouTube videos. I've been getting more subscribers every day, so I just thought I would kind of update you guys on what I'm doing, what's to come with the new videos, and yeah, lots of new things. Really exciting, stressful, but a good stressful. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. I'll probably be posting another video like next week. I'll be doing that 4-color job with the micro registration. So I'll show you guys that. But yeah, leave a comment down below what type of videos you guys want to see. I don't really have a whole lot planned. If I have anything like unique that I'm learning for the first time, I'll definitely video that. As soon as we get all this gym equipment out of here, it's a lot of gym equipment. So it's still taking up about half of the garage, where I'm taking over the whole garage. Thanks for watching, guys.